Hey everyone, this is John. Today I'm in the shop repairing a 2015 Nissan Altima rear bumper. Okay, so looking at the damage, it actually has two tears in it. It's dented in pretty bad and the plastic is stretched along the dent here. This one here isn't laying as flat, so we're gonna take and slice a little gap to relieve some tension. We will weld the front of this first to allow the plastic to fall in. If I were to weld the back side of this first, it may create a high spot on the front. I am going to continue to put pressure on this as it cools so that it settles in place. This is the area on the front where there's a little bit of a gash. I planned on wiping filler over it, but on the back side, there's some little stress cracks along that gash there. And I do see where it could possibly be cracked in a couple little places. So I'm gonna go ahead and V-groove this out and run a bead of welding rod. Now, I will be refinishing this whole bumper and painting it. I'm about to sandblast this just to etch the paint up so that the primer sticks to it. So we've got this bumper repaired, refinished, got a fresh coat of paint on it, and it's ready to go back on the car.